Alright, so I just left the bike shop, picking the kids' bikes up, but I want to prank them because they're at home. They are waiting for their bikes. I just called them, so. Hello?
Mom, where are you?
I'm on my way, but I got some bad news.
What?
Okay, what's Tay at?
Downstairs.
Alright, go put me on speaker.
Go.
Hurry up, put me on speaker.
Hang on. Hey, Mom had to come back and go ahead.
Hey, Tay.
Yes.
Hey, Tay.
Yes.
Got bad news for you with your bike.
What?
Your bike is savaged. So you'll have to ride with Yana until I can afford another bike. They said that your motor was blown.
He's crying.
Well, Tay, I'm sorry. You got to be careful, and I'm sorry. But when he changed your oil, he didn't put the oil back in.
Mom, he ain't listening to you. Mom.
I hear you. Well, he just going to have to ride with you.
Drop him off that wheel.
So we just
You got it right now?
Yep. Tell him he can come outside real quick. Help us get your bike off. Hey.
Open it!
Hey, Black gotta unlock it. You gotta unlock it, Black. Alright, so I got y'all gas.
Mommy.
Tay, was you crying?
Yes.
Was you really
I told you
crying?
that, Mommy.
Tay, why was you crying? You thought it was gone?
Yes. I thought mine was gonna be totally.
Alright, so if y'all want to ride, go change into some clothes.
I can't really ride now. Is that why I was going that slow? Yes. Bye, y'all. Oh, never mind.
Go put on some shoes.
I don't have any. Those shoes are total.